I'm gonna add in a tiny bit more soy sauce. Ah! Hopefully it's not too salty, guys. It's Rose and welcome back to Cheap Lazy Vegan and another video. So today guys, I want to try making a trending recipe, which I don't even know if I can call it a recipe. It's more like a meal hack, and I've seen this going around in Korean circles, okay? I guess this is a viral recipe hack in Korea, and I wanted to try it and I wanted to veganize it, of course. So I wanted to try making what's called dumpling fried rice, which looks really simple, really easy, and it looks like the perfect lazy hack. And you guys know I love a good lazy hack. So let's just jump into it and let's see what we can make. So first, into this pan, we're gonna add a little bit of oil. So maybe about a tablespoon of oil. Okay, we're gonna heat that up a little bit. So the trick is to use store-bought dumplings. This is the one I'm using here, vegetable gyoza. I got this at the Korean supermarket. Guys, if you go to a Korean supermarket, you can find tons of different types of vegetable dumplings. Just check the ingredients list, okay? You can find a bunch, and you can and they're pre-made, they're simple, you keep them in the freezer, and it's just ready for you to eat for those lazy days when you don't want to cook. Highly recommend this, okay? Highly recommend. Not necessarily this brand, but just like, you know, in general. But again, you can use whatever brand, whatever dumpling of your choice. Anyway, that's what we're doing, okay? So this is heating up. While this is heating up, guys, I have the dumplings here. So I've got about like 6 or 7 pieces, and I have microwaved it a little bit because I said it was frozen. So then let's chop it. You can break these in the pan, but I've seen people cut it up with scissors. Oh God, this is like sticky. You know what? It's working, it's fine. Trust the process, guys. Trust the process, okay? So we've got the oil. It's nice and hot. I'm a little scared here. We're gonna add in some minced garlic and minced red chilies. Woo! You know, I like this cooking show setup, but also a bit of a hazard for my face. It's a little too close to my face. Okay, so we're gonna saute the garlic and chili. And now the oil was quite hot. Turn it down a little bit, and I want to add a little bit of tofu for the extra protein here. This is just like maybe a quarter of a block of medium firm tofu, and of course we're just gonna crumble it up. Are you seeing this, guys? All right, so we're cooking up the tofu. I'm gonna add a little bit of soy sauce just to flavor the tofu since it's gonna be quite plain. So maybe about, I don't know, a tablespoon of soy sauce here. The tofu is optional, but you know, it's gonna make the meal more filling. So you can use medium firm, or extra firm tofu. I'm just gonna cook it up like so. And now we can add in the broken up dumplings. Oh my God, this is a giant mess. I don't know if this is gonna work, guys. I feel like I wanna add in more dumplings. This one doesn't have much of a filling. Let's see what it looks like. All right guys, so I decided to add in some more dumplings because these are quite small. So I'm adding in 3 more in here. Now, I realized that maybe next time I'll use some dumplings that are a little bit bigger, so there's more like filling in the inside. But I think this will still be delicious. I don't know, we'll find out. So we're just gonna saute this a little bit, and then we're gonna add in our rice. Preferably you wanna use like day-old rice, you know how fried rice works, okay? But it doesn't really matter. We're gonna add in 1 cup of brown rice cooked. Hello, and let's mix it. I'm gonna add in a little bit more soy sauce. Maybe another, like, I don't know, depends. Maybe that was like half a tablespoon, another tablespoon. I'm gonna turn the heat down. I'm gonna add in a tiny bit more soy sauce. Ah! Hopefully it's not too salty, guys. Listen, if it's too salty, just add in a little more rice or a few more dumplings. It's all good. You don't need to scream like I just did. This is gonna be the magic ingredient. We're gonna add in some 참기름, which is toasted sesame oil. This is quite potent, so you don't have to add too much. Maybe about a teaspoon or however much you want. It's up to you. This is gonna give it a really nice, delicious flavor. Oh, I mean, I think we're ready to plate it. All right, guys, so it is time to plate. Ooh. I mean, this is literally a 5-minute meal. Just FYI, in case you needed another 5-minute meal idea. As if I don't give you enough. And then we're just gonna top with some green onion, of course. Gotta always top with the green onion. And of course, we also have to top with toasted sesame seeds. Let's just get some of those in there. All right, shall we try it? All right, you guys, here's the final product. Okay, I'm really excited to try this because this is so quick and easy. Did you see how quick and easy that was? Seriously, it would take you like 5 minutes, okay? You just have to have some dumplings in the freezer and you can just buy the store-bought ones. It's very simple. And some leftover rice and that's it. Okay, let me try this. Moment of truth. It's like better than I thought it would be. The inside of the dumpling is like nice and flavored, right? There's like stuff in there. There's like veggies and maybe some like soy something. There's some things in the dumplings. So that's gonna add in all that flavor into the fried rice. Actually, the dumpling skin makes it nice and chewy and gives like a really like delicious texture element to the fried rice. You guys, you need to make this. Go to your Korean supermarket. Go buy some dumplings. Make sure you check the ingredients list and make this because this is actually legit. This is the perfect lazy meal. Friday evening, you got no plans. All you want to do is watch some Netflix. You want to make a 5-minute meal? Here you go. Success! All right, you guys, so that was the really easy 5-minute dumpling fried rice hack slash recipe. I hope you guys try this out because honestly, this is so good, as I mentioned. And you can try this with, you know, different kinds of dumplings. And if you can't find like Korean or whatever dumplings, like pre-made dumplings, you could probably follow a recipe for the insides of a dumpling and then just use that in your fried rice. I don't know, but just go to the Korean supermarket, just buy a bag of frozen dumplings and enjoy, okay? You are welcome. I hope you enjoy this. I guess I'll have the recipe in a blog post, which will be linked down below as always. But that's pretty much it, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this short video. Let me know your thoughts down below. And of course, if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you don't miss any videos in the future. And don't forget to thumbs up this video as always. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!